Hello and welcome to my video demonstration of Meta. This is my Firefox extension which I made to fix a problem I had, and it's a problem I think many users have, and that is those of you who download a lot of imagery are going to be stacking up hundreds and thousands of photos easily. But the problem comes not from downloading them but from finding them. So if you've got 1,000 pictures, even in say the download folder, let's pretend you've got 1,000 in here, how do you find the one you want? Let alone in 10 months time when they're all packed away somewhere on your hard drive, you can't find them. And I believe that problem comes down to metadata. And what metadata is it's a description of the photo. So let's take a screenshot here. Okay, I just took a picture of my screen. And if we look at this, if you open it up in preview and you bring up tools, inspector, you've got metadata, but it's all relevant to the computer. So you've got the file name picture1, that isn't going to help you in the long run, is it? You've got the document type, it's a PNG, you've got the file size, the date it was created, image dimensions, DPI, all that kind of stuff. That's all relevant to a computer. But it's not very much help if you want to find it. Okay, it doesn't make much sense to a human being. So that's where Meta comes in. So let's load up Firefox, and let's say, I don't know, it's 3 o'clock in the morning and you're looking through some strange website. So let's type something random. 11244. Okay, here we go. So we'll search in imagery. Oh, that looks excellent. 11244 suite. What's this? Well, I don't know what it is, but I love these patterns and I want these images. Okay, let's take this one. Right, I want this, and I'm going to go to File, Save As. I'll look at that file name, SASP11282. That's going to be so difficult to find. Okay, but the information I associate with it is that these are papers and stickers, and this particular one is Woodland Whimsy, Rose Thicket. Now I could probably remember Rose Thicket, or Rose, and we're talking 10 months time, so I could remember paper and rose. Okay, so if I go here and I type rose, rose, paper, there it is, right there. Now look at the file name. That's not going to help you find it. I'll show you what will help you find it. If you go to the inspector, and we've got all the computer understood data there, but if we go here, IPTC, here it is. What Meta's actually done is it's embedded 3 separate bits of information automatically. So you've got something called the caption abstract. If we copy that, open up TextPad. Is it called TextPad? Text Edit, sorry. I'm thinking of Notepad out of Windows. And here you've got the information that you highlighted. See that information there is that. Then you've got headline, which is the title of the web page. Whoops, sorry. Here we go. There's the title, and you've got subject reference. This is really useful. If we copy that and we go to Firefox, open a new tab. And so what the point of that is, say I came across this, I'd say, where did that come from? 10 months time, you'll never find it. So you copy that, you paste it, you get rid of the field title, subject reference, and you've got a URL. You click that and it takes you right back to where you got it from. And you can look at all the other types of patterns. Okay, so what I did was I downloaded that simply by highlighting text and clicking Save As. That's it. But let's say that's too much effort. Let's say you just want to click Save Image As. And here you go. Here's another ridiculous name. Save it. Boom. It's gone right into your computer. You don't know where. And you want to find it. Let's say you type paper because you know it's to do with paper and stickers. And here it is. Now I just typed paper because all it will have is it will have the title of the web page and the URL. It won't have any highlighted text. If you highlight text, it goes inside the image. If you don't, it won't. But it's paper and stickers. So there you go. What it does is Meta will embed humanly understood data, which is relevant to things like search, and it provides referential details, like here. This is referential information, and it also provides a way to get back to the image. So that's search criteria, that tells you where it comes from, and it tells you a bit about the image. And I think that is really important when you've got thousands of images. And that is what Meta does. It's as simple as that. You just download the image and it does it for you.